need boys. Anyway, I better head home before my mom calls 911. See you in class on Monday. Bye, girl. Bye. Hang on. You didn't think we'd go without saying, nobody puts baby in the corner.
Riviere Sands, does anyone think they can do the lift? If you think you can do the lift, come on down. If not, me and Callie will. It'll be hilarious. I'm sure some of you can do it. Just practicing over there. Boys and girls, you can dance like this to this song if you want. Now I've had the time of my life. No, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. I've had the time of my life. I owe it all to you. Come on, we need someone to do the lift. Security. I've been waiting for so long. Now I finally found someone. Stand by me. We saw her hiding on the wall, and we felt this magical fantasy. Now we're flashing in our eyes. There's no way we could disguise secretly. So we take each other's hand, cause we seem to understand your jealousy. Just remember, you're the one thing I can't get enough of. So I'll tell you something. This could be love, because I had the time of my life. No, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. Hey baby, my body and soul, I want you more than you ever know. Slow. So we'll just let it go, don't be afraid to lose control. Now I know what's on your mind when you say, stay with me tonight. Just remember, you're the one thing I can't get enough of. So I tell you something. This could be love, because I had the time of my life. No, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you, cause I had the time of my life. And I searched through every open door till I found the truth, and I owe it all to you. Funstars on film. If you've been here for a long time, you know us, we're your Funstars. If you've just arrived, then you'll see us throughout the week. Let's give it up for Callie, Tina, Penny,
And of course, the fabulous Natalie, who is your ex-manager here at Riviere Sands.
We'll see you guys later. Stick around. We've got Jukebox Jam coming up next.
Jukebox Jam.
That's a good impression.
I know.
See ya.
They won't get it until in 2 minutes' time.